So if we have two statements, P and Q, then the conjunction will be given by P and Q, and the disjunction will be P or Q. So based on this idea, we have a couple of examples. So let's try to combine them using conjunction and disjunction. Problem number 1. Here we have the first statement, L4 is hardworking, and statement Q, where Bean is intelligent. So the conjunction will be P and Q. Well, L4 is hardworking and Bean is intelligent. Then the disjunction P or Q will be L4 is hardworking or Bean is intelligent. Number 2. Statement P, Kai is a physicist. Statement Q, Remy is a biologist. So the conjunction between the two statements will be P and Q. Kai is a physicist and Remy is a biologist. The disjunction of P, Q will be Kai is a physicist or Remy is a biologist. Problem number 3. Statement P, it is raining. Statement Q, it is cold. So the conjunction P and Q will be P and Q, it is raining and it is cold. The disjunction P or Q will be it is raining or it is cold. Let's move on to the fourth problem. Problem number 4. Statement P, Rowan is honest. Statement Q, Rowan is qualified. The conjunction will be P and Q. Rowan is honest and qualified. The disjunction will be P or Q. Rowan is honest or qualified. Number 5. Statement P, Jack went up the hill. Statement Q, Jill went up the hill. The conjunction P and Q will be Jack went up the hill and Jill went up the hill. The disjunction P or Q will be Jack went up the hill or Jill went up the hill. Problem number 6. Statement P, 3 is a prime number. Statement Q, it is snowing. The conjunction P and Q will be 3 is a prime number and it is snowing. The disjunction of the two statements will be P or Q, 3 is a prime number or it is snowing. Problem number 7. Statement P, Paris is in France. Statement Q, London is in England. The conjunction of statement P and Q will be P and Q, Paris is in France and London is in England. The disjunction of the two statements will be P or Q, Paris is in France or London is in England. Moving on, problem number 8. Statement P, it is raining today. Statement Q, there are dozen chairs in this room. So the conjunction of the two statements will be P and Q, it is raining today and there are a dozen chairs in this room. The disjunction of the two statements will be P or Q, it is raining today or there are a dozen chairs in this room. Problem number 9. Statement P, it is not raining. Statement Q, it is hot. So the conjunction of the two statements will be it is not raining and it is hot. The disjunction of the two statements will be P or Q, it is not raining or it is hot. Problem 10. Statement P, Bruce is a billionaire. Statement Q, Bruce works hard. So the conjunction of the two statements will be P and Q. Bruce is a billionaire and he works hard. And the disjunction of the two statements will be P or Q. Bruce is a billionaire or he works hard. So if we have two statements, P and Q, then the conjunction will be given by P and Q, and the disjunction will be P or Q. So based on this idea, we have a couple of examples. So let's try to combine them using